Hello YouTube. And I'm gonna show you how to make this in a couple of minutes. So yeah, so I'm just take this off right now. And I'm gonna show you how to make it in a couple of minutes. I did a live stream. Okay. I did a live stream like 30 minutes ago, I believe. I think I did a live stream a couple of like 30 minutes ago. And let me tell you, it's not really good, but I do think that it will be better, that this will be better than this. That would be better than this. Um, so yeah. Look forward to um, um, see the tutorial on how to make this. And guess what? It's without having to use um liquid latex or anything like that. Like so yeah. So yeah. So going to be really easy. And ouch. Let me tell you what you're going to need. A heads up now. You want to need toilet paper, fake blood, or scab blood. That's the best one I use. Or you can just use fake blood. You can get this one at your local Walmart, and you can get this one at your super Walmart. So yeah, a bit crazy, but I will tell you that it will be easy. So yeah, that video will be coming up in like a couple of minutes. So yeah.